Hey friends, how's it going? Y'all, I forgot I had this in my stash and I was going to create with it, so that's what we're going to do today. As you're hopping on, say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. My name's Debbie, Refresh Restyle, and I am so glad you're here. Now all I got to do is make sure that I'm on Facebook. Okay, there we are. How's everybody doing? I hope you're doing awesome. Anyway, let me get this out to the broadcast channel. And the broadcast channel is just like a message that I can send on Facebook. So hopefully you guys are in that. Let me know if you are. If not, I can post a link later. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hey, Annie, Vicky, Jerry, and look, I came on a little bit earlier today, just trying to catch everybody. So y'all be sure to let me know if you sprinkle. And this is, it has like a tab at the top like our white ones do, but this one has green and white stripes and then a little bit darker green and white ruffle. And y'all, can you guess what I'm going to put on here? I'm going to put fresh strawberries on here. And look, if you're not part of the club, you're missing out. My goal this month is 30 projects. I'm a little bit behind. All right, I'm going to use, this is one of our sticky mats, but if you don't have one of these, you should get one. But if you don't have one, you can totally use like a piece of cardboard or something. And look, I need to clean mine. And to clean it, I just spray it with water, and then I use my scraper and scrape it off. Hey, Chris. Chris, did you have to work today? Hey, Marcia. I'm live. Okay. I'm not going to use the whole thing. I'm just going to use the top part. I think. Yes. I'm just going to use the fresh strawberries. Hey, Fran. Oh, thank you. That's so strange. I got this at a consignment store in Alabama when I was visiting one of my friends. And look, y'all, I'm going to use my scissors to measure because I don't know where my tape measure is. Okay, that's close. Hey, that's close. All right, I may move it down just a little. I could count the stripes too, I guess. We're going to roll with it. And y'all, I am going to use... I was going to use Couture, and I may, because I like this pink with the green. What do y'all think? Hey, Adria and Brenda. I'm live. Yeah. Gosh, I'm like, what? I may do the candy apple. This feels very low. Let me see. Let me see. Y'all. Sometimes I open a couple of things that I don't need to when I don't need to open them. Okay, there's more in that one. Okay, I think I'm going to do the ombre effect on the word strawberries. And all that is, you know, I'm going to do the top in the Couture coral. Such a pretty color, isn't it? And all of this really looks good with the, y'all, look what I did. It's okay. It's okay. I almost got some ink. Where did I get it down here? Oh, look, if you do get it somewhere you don't want it, try to wipe it off quickly. I don't think that'll be that noticeable. And this is a Clorox wipe. Mercy, mercy me. I gotta be careful. Okay. So I got this ready. I'm gonna do fresh strawberries, 25 cents a pint. Let me check this again. I'm not moving my finger. I feel like it needs to go this way. That looks good. That looks good. And look, you could use the whole design if you wanted to. Y'all, I'm crazy. Oh no! You're feeling under the weather. I hope you feel better soon. Thank you for sprinkling. Thank you so much. I don't know where I got these earrings. All right, y'all. Be careful. Don't do what I did. Okay. So I'm going to do fresh and those lines in green, and then these lines and the 25 cents of paint in green. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. And you know how with paste you have to work kind of fast because it dries quick? Well, ink does not dry quite as quick. And like I said, y'all, this club, and what it is, it's a monthly kit that you get if you join the club. And you can use the transfer or stencil over and over. And like I said, I love this one so much, I made myself a little challenge to do 30 projects, and I got to count. I'm behind because I went out of town. But hey, I can catch up. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Now I'm just scooping off the excess, putting it back in my container, because you know I like to not be wasteful. Yeah, Judy said cover it up with a strawberry, and you totally can do that. So I'm going to do the Couture coral at the top. I got a bracelet with little tassels that I got to scoot around. So is everybody, do y'all, I want to ask y'all about Easter. Do y'all, what do y'all do on Easter? Do you get together as a family? It's going to be kind of, which we've been here a year. I'm trying to think what we did last year for Easter. But normally, you know, when we lived in South Alabama, we had like a family reunion when Mama was still alive. So Easter just is kind of like, it's a strange time with Mama gone. And several of my aunts. So what are y'all doing for Easter? What do y'all eat for Easter? Y'all know I want to know what you eat. So I'm like going about halfway with the candy apple and the Couture coral. And then I'm going to take my finger and kind of blend them in the middle. Have y'all ever done this? It turns out to be really pretty, and it's kind of what I did with the apron that I had on last night. All right. And now I'm going to scoop off my excess. And y'all, these are so fun and easy to make. Well, really any kind of fabric. T-shirts, towels, whatever. Y'all know I like just making stuff. All right, so now I'm going to take my finger, and I see y'all saying family get together. I'm going to take my finger and just kind of blend here in the middle or wherever these colors meet. Just so that it's not like a straight line. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of blur the lines a little bit. Okay, so this is done. I used Meadow for fresh and 25 cents a pound. And then I used Couture coral at the top and candy apple red at the bottom. So now I'm going to remove the transfer. Hopefully y'all can see this okay. And y'all, I am, look, let me see, did I miss a little bit at the top of my B? Y'all know I try to be so careful not getting green in here. Okay. There we go. All right, so, and you clean this with water. I showed y'all last night how to clean it, like if you're going to clean it at your desk. Y'all, I'm so glad I used the green. I was kind of debating. I'm like, do I want to use green or black or what? And I'm thrilled. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Let me hold this up so y'all can see. And I got a little spot down there that's still wet. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. All right, now we're going to dry this. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my heat press. And wouldn't you know, I unplugged it sometime. I don't know when or no, did I not? My goodness gracious. Oh, did I unplug the whole thing? Y'all forgive me. I don't think I did. Did I? For some reason, I did. Y'all are going to think I'm like absolutely out of my mind. I unplugged the whole thing for some reason. Let's some reason. Okay. I told y'all I've got an electrical shortage here. Not really an electrical shortage. Oh my gosh. Look, none of my plugs are working. Look, I'm not crazy. I just don't know why that plug's not working. I'm going to try this and then I'm going to have to press it later. So the steps would be you dry your projects and then you use your iron or your heat press. Now I'm thinking, oh, I seen it. I bet you the, what do you call it? A thing in the fuse box. Oh my gosh. Am I crazy? I can see my computer went off over there. Anyway, look. Y'all have seen me do the heat press before. So you dry your project and then you use parchment paper over the top of it. Hey Kim, how you doing? I was just talking about Easter and missing Mama for our family traditional Easter where we had a lot of family. Y'all, I think I used too many high-powered items in my craft room. I try to plug them all. Yeah, circuit. That's right, Chris. I'm going to have to get Barry to check it out. But you know, like that Cricut heat press has the 3 prongs. And then I bet you it takes a lot of whatever. Kim, isn't this so cute? Oh, Stacy, we just got back from seeing the grandbaby yesterday. He is awesome. Y'all, I am like so in love with these colors. So, oh my gosh, Judy. Anyway, once you ink your project, then you dry it, and then you use an iron or heat press. And I'm not going to be able to show you that today, but that's okay. And listen, if you're a club member, this is an idea for you. If you're not a club member, the key word today is, I never set it up. Hold up. Hold up. I'm like off my game because I came on early. Oh my goodness. The key word is dish towel, all one word. Dish towel, all one word. And if you want the supplies, just comment that. Sometimes I crack myself up, but not today. Today I'm wondering if I needed a nap and didn't take one. That could be my problem. Let me see what y'all are saying about mine. Anita, you falling apart for family gatherings? Well, one thing, we moved too. So we're like, the majority of our family is like over 8 hours from here. So that's our, hey Lynn, let me know if that works. Martha's dish towel all together. Dish towel, all one word. And I know it's not one word. But this program likes one word. Thank you. Oh my, oh my. Hey Tony. Kathy's dish towel, all one word. Dish towel, all one word. Thanks, Karen. I think I'm on. Y'all just, it's crazy. Anyway, you're going to get a message with the supplies. But what I want you to mainly think about is, you know, the club, this club is only available during April. And y'all, it's the day after, it's the 16th, so we got 14 more days. Thank you, Helene. So you dry your, you know, you put your transfer down, you ink, whatever colors you want to use, and then you use your heat press or iron for 30 seconds on both sides. And then you have a beautiful towel. And this is, I don't know, this just looks so fresh to me. I love the colors. Love it, love it, love it. Isn't that gorgeous? So cute. It's kind of making me want to do me a green t-shirt. Peggy and everybody, whenever you type the keyword dish towel, then you get the links for everything. Hey, Sandy. Anyway, y'all, that's all I got today. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you like these quick lives that are straight and to the point and teach you how to do something fun. I see lots of new names on here, so if you're new, say hello. This is just a craft dryer. It's not a heat gun. But I will, you know what I need to do? I need to come on here and do like, because I have given links for this hundreds of times, but I need to get on here and do like things that I use. So I'll include this. Thanks, Karen. All right, guys, I'm going to hop off. Let me do this. Y'all are saying it's not working because it autocorrects. I can do something. Let me see. I'll put the word dish and towel in here and see if that helps. Now, if you commented and it didn't work, you can just comment again. And guys, it was great to see everybody. I hope y'all come back every day. Be sure to let me know if you sprinkle, because we're doing random sprinkle winners. I posted 2 earlier. And anyway, have a great night, and I'll see y'all later. Bye now.